Need a small footprint but don't want to skimp on features? Here are the best everyday carry backpacks of 2025. The Aer City Pack 2 presents a sleek silhouette for everyday carry. It offers a dedicated padded compartment for laptops up to 16 inches. Travel is made easier with the integrated luggage pass-through, and accessing the interior compartment is a breeze thanks to the inclusion of smooth YKK zippers throughout. Inside, you'll find a Goldilocks level of organization that's smart and intuitive for everyday essentials without being overwhelming. Carrying options are versatile with a quick grab top and side handles. Plus, there's a convenient stretch water bottle pocket to keep hydration within easy reach. With its water-resistant exterior and durable yet lightweight build, the Aer City Pack 2 is a thoughtfully designed companion for urban life. The QWSTION Daypack stands out with its minimalistic shape. Access to the main compartment is secure and convenient thanks to the two-way zipper and twist lock closure. Inside, a padded compartment offers protection for up to a 16-inch MacBook Pro or an iPad. Carrying comfort is enhanced by the padded back panel. The exterior is crafted from durable and plastic-free Bananatex shell fabric, providing weather protection while also being fully biodegradable at the end of its lifespan. Organization is well considered with just the right amount of pockets to organize work essentials without unnecessary complexity. The QWSTION Daypack blends distinctive aesthetics with sustainable materials and practical features. The first thing you'll notice about the GORUCK Bullet laptop is that it's built with that legendary GORUCK durability. This thing is tough. A padded laptop compartment is extra reinforced, and additional padding creates lumbar support, helping to fit the natural curve of your back for a comfier carry. Packing is a breeze too, thanks to the open flat design. The 210D HT Cordura on the back panel and under the shoulder straps is super smooth, so it won't irritate skin or mess up clothes. It comes with GORUCK's SCARS Lifetime Guarantee, meaning the Bullet Laptop 16L has got your back for the long haul. The Cote cross-type backpack presents a one-of-a-kind silhouette and structure, immediately setting it apart. The signature feature is its expandable front compartment, offering adaptable storage space. The main compartment boasts a clamshell opening, providing easy and complete access for packing. Dedicated and padded sleeves offer secure storage for both a laptop and a tablet. Inside, mesh pockets help keep carry essentials organized and readily available. A practical touch is the high-vis interior fabric, making it easier to locate items inside the bag. The cross type combines distinctive design and functional organization. If you're looking for a silhouette that stands out, the unique design of the Cote and Ciel Yukon will certainly catch your eye. The front of the pack features two buckles. When unlatched, the cubic-shaped front compartment expands to its full capacity. A separate zipper provides access to the internal compartment, which includes mesh pockets for organizing everyday essentials, and a dedicated padded pocket for laptops up to 14 inches. Carrying comfort is enhanced by the extra comfortable straps, padded with mesh paneling on both sides, and a detachable chest strap that's included for added stability. The Yukon offers distinctive design with versatile functionality. The EVERGOODS CTB20 is built for those who need a backpack that can keep up with their day. Inside, there are over 13 distinct organizational zones to keep belongings neatly arranged. It features handy, quick access pockets placed all over, making it incredibly convenient to grab essentials in an instant. It includes a convenient luggage pass-through for smoother travel, stretch water bottle pockets, and a breathable back panel designed for all-day comfort. The differentially cut shoulder straps are engineered to provide a natural and comfortable fit. Constructed from durable 420D high-tenacity nylon 6 with a water-repellent finish, the CTB20 is a reliable and practical choice. The DB Ramverk is a backpack designed with a focus on maintaining its form. Thanks to its fully recycled EVA side panels, it holds its structure and silhouette even when empty. Up top, there's an accessible pocket that's designed to compress or expand depending on what you need to carry. The exterior also features front straps, offering extra carrying capacity for those bulkier items. Inside, internal mesh pockets help keep things organized and easy to find. A clever detail is the water bottle pocket with a zipper, allowing it to be neatly stashed away when not in use. Tech is well protected in the padded laptop compartment, which can hold up to a 16-inch MacBook Pro. The DB Ramverk aims to be a functional and well-structured companion for everyday use. The property of Zoey Bike Pack offers versatile carrying options as a 3-way bag that can be used as a backpack, a handheld tote, or an over-the-shoulder shopping bag. It features a dedicated 16-inch padded laptop compartment for secure tech storage. For quick access items, there are 2 outside front pockets and 1 outside back pocket. Safety is enhanced with the reflective strips on the bottom of the bag and on the shoulder straps, improving visibility at night. The entire construction of this bag is fully vegan, with its polyester fabric made out of recycled PET bottles. The Zoey Bike Pack is a thoughtfully designed and adaptable companion for the urban environment. The Sealson Drop 22 is immediately recognizable by its silhouette, defined by its unique water drop contour. It offers a 22-liter main compartment, which includes a handy internal mesh sleeve that can accommodate up to a 14-inch MacBook. The back panel also incorporates a mesh sleeve for quick access to essentials like a mobile phone and wallet. For comfortable and stable carry, the shoulder straps come with an adjustable sternum cord. Additionally, external cords provide convenient extra storage for larger items. The Drop 22 combines distinctive design and practical features for everyday use. The Thule Enroute offers smart organization for the modern day. It features elevated, dedicated pockets designed to protect a 15.6-inch laptop and a 10.5-inch tablet. A convenient quick-access pocket with a soft lining provides secure storage for sunglasses, phones, and other valuables. Inside, an organization panel helps keep everyday essentials neatly arranged. A secondary compartment includes a water-resistant TPU pocket, offering protection for spills or damp items. For external storage, there are mesh side pockets ideal for water bottles or accessories. Travel is simplified with the integrated luggage pass-through. Constructed with durable 400D nylon and reliable YKK zippers, the Thule Enroute aims to be a dependable and well-organized companion. The Bihn Synik 22 offers a more compact take on the best-selling Synik 30. Its front features practical organization with 5 exterior pockets, each designed with independent volume. A 2-point access, suspended laptop compartment provides secure storage for devices up to a 13-inch MacBook Pro. For external carry options, a useful webbing loop is located on the bottom exterior of the bag. Packing is made simpler with a full clamshell zipper opening, allowing the bag to lay flat. The Synik 22 also incorporates an integrated internal frame, which is removable, offering adaptable structure. It's a well-thought-out design in a versatile size. The Waterfield Tech Folio backpack is designed as a mobile tech hub. It boasts a comprehensive organization system with 10 pockets. The dedicated mobile office compartment features 2 padded pockets, ready to securely hold 2 laptops or a laptop and a tablet. The exterior is crafted from heavy-duty 14-ounce wax canvas, offering rugged durability. Adding a touch of premium quality are the full-grain leather accents. Carrying comfort is enhanced by the top handle made of soft webbing wrapped in full-grain leather. For seamless travel, it also includes a convenient luggage pass-through. The Tech Folio backpack aims to be a sophisticated and highly organized solution for carrying your digital life.